Non-stick cookware, coated with materials like Teflon, has gained popularity for its convenience in cooking and easy cleaning. However, concerns have arisen regarding the safety of these coatings when exposed to high temperatures. Non-stick coatings are generally safe for regular cooking at low to moderate temperatures. The primary concern emerges when the cookware is subjected to extreme heat, around 260 degrees centigrade and above, as this can cause the breakdown of the non-stick coating and release potentially harmful fumes, including perfluorooctanoic acid and other volatile compounds. PFOA, once used in the production of Teflon, has been linked to health issues when consumed in high amounts. Manufacturers have made efforts to improve non-stick coatings by phasing out PFOA and introducing newer, more durable coatings. These newer versions are considered safer at normal cooking temperatures. However, it's essential to handle non-stick cookware with care, using utensils that won't scratch the surface, as scratches can lead to the release of particles into food. For safety, avoid preheating empty non-stick pans at high temperatures, use moderate heat settings, and choose cookware from reputable brands that comply with regulations and have undergone safety testing. If the non-stick surface starts to show signs of wear, consider replacing the cookware to prevent potential health risks. In conclusion, non-stick cookware is safe for everyday cooking at appropriate temperatures. However, caution should be exercised to prevent overheating and scratching of the coating. Staying informed about the latest research and using the cookware as intended will help minimize any potential risks associated with non-stick coatings.